Hello everybody, this is Ray Albert and I want to welcome you back to another video. And in this video we're going to be talking about SEO. And even though SEO is a long drawn out subject to conquer, I'm going to show you how to know enough about SEO to get your new sites ranked on Google, because you know every site starts out at the bottom, starts out at zero. No website traffic, no visitors, no nothing. Everybody gets there slowly but surely, but there's a way to get there a little bit faster, and I'm going to hopefully help you do that. So let's get into the content. Okay, so now we're in the back of my website, Online Wealth. And if you just built your website, I'm sure you watched the video where I showed you how you need to, first of all, go to your settings, and then you want to go to permalinks. And then the first thing you want to do is you want to change. It usually has a structure, go in a custom structure or a month, date, and that. I don't know, but you want it on post name. That's what you want. And once you do that, then you hit Save Changes, okay? The next thing you want to do is I go to the pages and I delete all the pages. I delete all the posts. I go to then the appearance and I go to the themes and I delete all the themes that come with the website, you know, out of the box. There's probably 4 or 5. So the less clutter on your website, the faster it's going to be. The faster your website, the better your SEO. Now the next thing that you want to do is we have certain plugins, and so I'm going to go to the plugins here, and you want to make sure that you have some of these plugins. I have WPS Hide Login, and what this does is hides the WP/admin on your website URL. So if people want to try to hack in your website, they're going to go, like for me, for instance, it's onlinewealth.com/WordPress/admin. So anybody that wants to hack, that's the first thing that they try to do, is put the WP-admin and, you know, try to hack in your website like that. But if you don't have that there, if you have something else there besides WP/admin, they're not going to find out how to get into the back of your website. So I highly suggest using this plugin. Also, you want to have WordFence Security. WordFence Security is a free plugin. They do have a premium option, but I've been using the free option for a long time, and I haven't had any problems with people hacking into my website, because I've had that done before. I've had 4 websites hacked all together off of the same website web host. Also, I use Rank Math SEO in order to write my posts and my pages, because I'll show you in a little bit what this plugin does. I use pretty links to mask like affiliate URLs. So if you get a URL from ClickBank or something like that, you get this really long, ugly affiliate URL, and pretty links helps you hide that by using your domain and a / whatever you want to say. So if I'm an affiliate for Bluehost.com, my link would be onlinewealth.com/Bluehost instead of that big long ugly blah 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 with question marks and everything else in there. So and this is also a free plugin. I use Google Analytics for by Monster Insights, so that it gets search data from Google Search Console. You also want to be able to join the Search Console in order to get data from there and register your website on Google. I use Easy Table of Contents on my blog posts, so that's another SEO ranking factor. If people can access information that they want right at the tip of their fingers, all they do is go to the table of contents, go to what section that they want to actually visit, and do that. Now, Divi Overlays is an extension of Divi Theme, which I highly recommend. And I am an affiliate for Divi because I've been with them for a long time. I'm a lifetime member, and to me it's the best WordPress theme that you can get. And so that's it for the plugins that I recommend. So into making posts and articles. Now, to do this in an SEO friendly sort of way, you got to think about the search intent. So if you're wanting to write about, say, how to learn SEO at home, which is one of my blog titles, you want to answer the search intent. You don't want to try to make them be a customer right off the bat, because the relationship is just brand new. You want to educate them on and what it is that you have. So a good search intent, like I say, for how to learn SEO at home, that's what they want to learn, how to do SEO at home. And so this is why I wrote this blog post. This is why I'm making this video, so you can do that. And when you're creating content, you want to create it in a certain way. And I'm going to show you this here right now. And so here is my blog post on my website. And as you can see over here, you see in the score of 90 out of 100, 89 out of 100. This is the Rank Math plugin that I was talking to you about. If you go to this, if I go to edit this, I'm going to show you what it looks like here. So Rank Math is going to tell you, so this is the keyword that I was targeting, okay? And with that, you're going to edit the snippet, and you're going to put in your title. So this is going to be the SEO, or the title of your blog post. And notice how here I got 58 out of 60 characters that you're allowed for the title. If you add more characters than 60, you're going to be truncated, meaning they're not going to see the whole title. So you want to try to keep your title within 58, or between as much to 60 as you can. Try to get as much in the title as you can to try to entice people to click on that link. Why video marketing is so powerful, the #1 traffic solution. I try to get people to want to click on it. Also, when you permalink, this is what shows up on the search results as why video marketing is so powerful. So this is the keyword. This is the keyword with an extension onto it that gets people to click. Also in your meta description, you want to have the same keyword in there. Why video marketing is so powerful. Notice how I have it in the title, permalink, and the meta description. And with that, I've got 154 out of 160 characters in the description. So that's #1 for SEO, and that's why I use Rank Math plugin for SEO. And as you go down, it's going to tell you how many words that you have in this article, or blog post, or page. And what you want to do is you want to try to create blog posts and pages that are over 1,500 to 2,000 words at least, minimum, because now Google's going towards long form content for user experience. And if you get everything right, you get the search intent right, you write a good article, but it's only 500 words or 800 words, and another website does an article that's 1,000 or 1,500 words on the same keyword, they're going to get ranked higher than you because their post is going to have more information on it. Also, you're going to have additional stuff in here. Keyword density, it's going to give you the density. Now, there's no set rule on keyword density because nobody knows for sure what the magic number is on keyword density, but this gives you an idea. I got mine at 0.50 in density. You can go up as high as 0.80. I wouldn't go any higher than that. In this 1,700 word post, I have 9 times I've mentioned my keyword. So to me, that's good enough. And it tells you your URL is 59 characters long. That's good. You're linking. Now you got a link to external resources that are reputable for your post. You want to have an internal link for yourself so that your link juice keeps flowing through your website. And you're linking to other sources. I already mentioned that. And you haven't used this keyword before, so you don't want duplicate content. You don't want to use the same keyword twice. And so now it's going to tell you about title and readability. And basically, you want to try to have as much of these as green as possible. And this right here, this headline analyzer, will tell you analyze your headline and how good it is, and how to the point, and how enticing it is for people to actually click on it. So that's the basics of SEO. This is the simplest way that I can show you how to do SEO without going through a whole bunch of schooling and taking months and months to learn SEO. The best thing to do is to, when you're starting your blog, is to use these tips that I told you, and using these plugins and following the Rank Math plugin and trying to get as many greens as you can. You don't have to have everything totally green like you've seen that my keyword count in there was 0.50 and it was an orangey color. So basically that's the short version of how to do SEO. Okay, well, I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, all you got to do is just put a comment down there in the section down there. And if you like the video and you like the content that I put out, just go down there, subscribe, and take the icon bell. That way you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. And this is Ray Albert with OnlineWealth.com. I'll talk to you later.